Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select like preferred language from these bubbles. I'll just stay with English, I guess. Then tap get started, then you have to select the region without any bubbles now. Okay. Feel kinda offended. Could be Austria for me. Tap next. Then you have to tick I have carefully read and agreed to the above terms. Tap next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Oh, okay, you can't, so you have to connect to the Wi-Fi to set this device up. No other way, so let's do it. Okay. Tap next. Tap next. Then you can set up device protection like fingerprint, face recognition, or just lock screen password, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. And tap next. Then you can log in into your Huawei ID if you have one, or you can just like register in it, sign up for it, but you can also just don't have Huawei ID. Just okay, yeah, maybe later. Leave. Then you tap later. Next. Then no thanks. Later. Enable it, continue. Okay, then you can import data from your previous device, like all your photos, videos, settings and stuff. But you can also set up devices new, as I'm going to do, have no other previous device. Then you have this gesture navigation tutorial. Like if you don't know how to use it, you can just path through it right now, or you can just skip it by closing this window. And then you can also just change navigation method here if you don't like gestures, or you can just finish. Then you have these apps. Tap select all, then deselect all, next, and your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.